Hi there. Today I will show you a use case with two automations scraping leads based on intents. The first automation will be to scrape members of a LinkedIn group, and the second one will be to scrape event attendees. So we have a phantom called LinkedIn group members export. This one. I will click on use now. My target here is to scrape growth marketing and growth professionals in France. So I will go on LinkedIn and I will type on my search bar growth. I will search all results and I will select the groups. So I'm part of the growth hacking France. It seems a good one with over 2,000 members. I will select this one. Then go back on my phantom. I will paste the URL of the group, save. And then here I want to scrape all the members. So I will leave everything blank and I will save. And I just need to launch it once because there are only 2,000 members. So I don't need to launch it several times. I will save and I will launch the phantom. Okay, so I scraped these 2014 profiles. So here, when I click on view my leads, I will go on the LinkedIn leads database and I can retrieve them. What I will do here is that I will create a filter. You can see that it's only taking the leads processed by this phantom. I will add another condition where the job contains keyword growth because I only want to target growth people. And I will set the filters as a list. Growth professionals. I will confirm. I have my new list. Now, the second automation I want to use is the one who enable me to scrape event attendees. So I will type here events and it's this one, LinkedIn and guest exports. I will use it. And I will search again. I will type growth. And I will filter on events. There might be some interesting ones. Okay, let's take this one. There are only 10 attendees, but if they are qualified, it's enough for my needs. So I will copy the link and I will paste it here. And I will save. And here I will leave like this because I only need to scrape 10 attendees. So it's fine. I will save and I will launch it only once. Save and launch. All right, so I was able to scrape the 10 profiles from these events. So I will go back on my LinkedIn leads database and I will add them to my list, the one I previously created, the growth professional. I will apply a new filter. Here, I will click on add condition and I will add this phantom. So we'll be able to say that we want on this list the leads that were processed by the phantom of the group member export and the phantom of the event attendees export. So here we click on processed by phantom and I will select the right one. It's this one, LinkedIn event guest exports. And then I will save changes. So now you can see that I have 20 leads on my new list, and then I'm able to use this list to outreach them, for example, sending them a connection request and follow-up messages. That will be a smart strategy. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.